after Munawar Farooqi, stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra is on Twitter to announce that his forthcoming show in Bengaluru has been cancelled. He said his show was cancelled because of threats to shut down the venue. The show was said to be organized by Art Coach and was titled Kunal Kamra Live. It was scheduled at a venue in Bengaluru's JP Nagar area. It seems the organizers are absolutely silent about this. Shrija joining us with more on that. Shrija, what are we hearing? What are the reasons being given, if at all?
Well, in fact, unlike the Farooqi's case where we had police at Ashok Nagar police station where they had written a letter directly addressing to the organizers asking them to cancel the show and also in fact calling Munawar Farooqi as a very controversial figure. In this particular case, when we did speak to JP Nagar police and also the DCP of South, what they clarified to us is that they haven't either reached out to the organizers or even for that matter the stand-up comedian himself. But in this point, what we understand from the information that we have gathered from DCP of the South here is a few people had gathered. Now these few people that we're talking about includes the residents of that very particular neighborhood. This is in JP Nagar area of Bengaluru, right before this venue, Art Coach. We also understand that the residents over there protested saying that this particular comedian, the artist, he seems to be a very controversial person. He did put a couple of explicit controversial statements during his earlier posts. So these were the certain statements which were issued especially by the residents themselves to the JP Nagar police. So after that, we understand the organizers, Art Coach. Now, Art Coach is a platform where they actually reserve and book the artists and also ensure the shows go on. But in this case, we understand from the police over here, the local police, it was Art Coach themselves where they decided to cancel Kunal Kamra's show. Of course, the artist himself has taken to Twitter to also confirm the cancellation of his upcoming show. Remember, it was not just one particular show, but it was on multiple dates which was planned here in the city of Bengaluru.
Right. All right. Shrija, thanks very much indeed for joining us with those details.